In this video, we will be going over PPP Controls. This section can be found at the bottom of the home page screen. This screen displays all available and upcoming features. Even if you haven't subscribed to a feature, their control screen will appear here for you to view. These grayed out features are designed to provide you a better insight on what you will gain from subscribing. By going into one of these unsubscribed features, you can see that the elements have been grayed out and are not interactive. At the very top is a brief description of the feature and a button to the PPP subscriptions page. Once you have subscribed to a feature, they will appear in PPP Controls as coloured and interactable. Some features allow for you to enable and disable their functions. For example, you can toggle our energy trading algorithm on and off when desired. Keep in mind that some features do not appear in PPP Controls, as they do not require any modes or parameters. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at support@redearth.energy.